Hey, welcome back everybody. I'm Eric, and in this tutorial, we are going to go over the hub within the CollabHub. So once you've signed into your account, you'll go up here to the top where it says hub, click that, and this page is going to show you all of the companies that are actively open to collaborations. So you can go through here, scroll through all the companies, look at the descriptions, and pick and choose whichever one you want to reach out to. So this is just an easy way to find companies that are open to collaborating, but also it's an easy way to reach out to them. So once you choose a company, all you have to do is click apply. Of course, you can read the longer version of the description. And you can go to the bottom and write them a message of what you're looking for, what you think can be a great collaboration effort with them, or whatever. Add that in there, and then click apply, and then it'll automatically send it to them, so they will review it and get back to you. So that is exactly how you utilize the hub and all the companies within it. And also, this is where, of course, your billboard card will be listed. So what I would suggest is try to provide a description about your company and also provide what kind of collaborations you're looking for, so whenever companies reach out to you, maybe it gives them a better idea of what you're looking for, and maybe it'll give them a better idea of what they can do as well. So you never know what can come from a collaboration, a request, or a submission of your own to another company. So, of course, if you have any questions, jump into the community, ask us anything you want. We're always there to help.